I have something over here, CAD JPY. As usual, an amazing trade, and I'll show you before. And of course, this is currently after price hitting TP 174 pips. So right over here, I'll show you before the CAD JPY right over here. You see, and of course, this is when the market was playing out currently. That is yesterday, almost hitting TP. And of course now this is where we are. Okay, so this is a very simple trade, and I'll show you what I saw and explain everything for you guys to understand how easy it is. Okay, so if you kind of see, the analysis was simple. What was I looking for? The previous low and the previous high. This is a low and this is a high. Simple. I'm done. So let me go back to the H4. Now on the H4, we now need to start looking for some patterns, reversal, continuation patterns, entry position. So those are the things that were on my mind. Remember, I already know that, okay, I'm looking for, this high. I believe price wants to go and test this high. Okay, since we had this type of a rejection, let me just show you. We have maybe this is a touch, second touch, and now price also gave us a third touch and bounce off that level. Okay, so the moment I saw that price bounce off that level, guys, see, look at this. This is an impulse. This is a correction or a continuation pattern. Impulse. Now was expecting price to give me that continuation pattern, and we continue going all the way up. So let's go. Now onto the H1, we see this is how price was playing out. Okay, so we see this is it. Okay, right there, rejection after rejection, and boom, I was in. All right, so that is when I executed this entry, and of course this should have been, this is the first TP right here. And remember, I'm targeting this high and the 90% rule, guys. I don't want to make my stop, my take profit right on that high, but at least before price hits this high. Price might not hit that high, then start reversing. So you see, this is what the market did. That's an impulse. Another, like I said before, don't die when you see price pulling back, because price still gives you opportunities, guys, for you to make entries, guys. So let's see. So this was just another opportunity for me to scale in, but I never did that. Right, I never did that. I just let price do his thing, because a good entry would have been, wait for price to target this level first TP, then now wait for that retracement before we see what price can do. Right, so you see, this is what the market did. Okay, all right, that's it. And of course the market went all the way up. All right, so there's this type of another pattern, probably something like this. These were just levels or zones that I was supposed to scale in, but I never did. All right, I just wanted to maybe target that. Guys, I don't open many position. As you'll see my screenshots, guys, I only take one entry position unless I'm targeting a very, very good amount of pip. So you see that was a very good run, and as usual, let me see, I just updated the gang. TP hit. You see, this is it. So I believe you guys are learning something on this series, the understanding forex entry, guys. I've been talking about this series for a while, and I hope you guys are learning. All right, understand how price is approaching a support or a resistance, guys. Everything will be way too simple. You understand? As long as you understand those key levels, you mark those key levels and see, okay, this is a support, then now wait for price to touch that support. If you see a resistance, wait for price to touch a resistance. Then now the next thing you need to do is wait and see the reaction, how it's going to react around that level, that support or that resistance. Okay, if you see a continuation pattern, then execute. If you see a reversal, execute based on what you will be seeing, guys. I don't trade fundamentals, I only do technical analysis, and that's what's up. I hope you guys learned something, and check out my Telegram link in the description, guys. And adios, mi amigos. Peace.